In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Shopify store link. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your public storefront URL and how to copy it safely without sharing anything from your admin. First, start on your Shopify admin home. This is your main dashboard where you manage orders, products, and settings. If you aren't already signed in, log in and you'll land right on the home screen. Remember, anything you see inside the admin is private to you, and your team customers never see this area. Next, look for the Settings option. On desktop, it's typically at the bottom left of your admin. Click Settings to open the page with all your store configuration options. This is where Shopify keeps essentials like billing, checkout, and the section we need today. Now, choose Domains. The Domains page controls which web addresses point to your store. Here, you'll usually see a primary domain, the main URL customers use, plus any additional domains you've connected. If you've added a custom domain, this is where it will appear. If you haven't, Shopify provides a default .myshopify.com address that works just fine for sharing your store. Find the small card that represents the domain you want customers to use and click it to open. This opens a detail view for that specific domain. You'll see whether it's set as the primary domain and that it's connected correctly. The key thing to look for is the storefront link shown at the top or alongside the primary domain label. Now, copy that link. You can highlight it and use your system copy command or click any copy icon you see next to the URL. This is the shareable link to your live storefront, the page customers can visit to browse and buy. Paste it anywhere you need, your social profiles, emails, support replies, or messaging apps. Before sending it widely, it's a great idea to test the link in a private or incognito browser window to make sure it loads the public storefront and not any admin view. A couple of quick tips. If your store is still protected by a password, visitors will see a password page first. That's normal during development. When you're ready to go public, remove storefront password protection so people can access your site directly. Also, always share your storefront domain. Not any admin link you see while managing your store. Admin links won't work for customers and can expose private pages. That's it. Open Shopify Home, go to Settings, open Domains, click your domain card, and copy the storefront URL at the top. You're ready to share your Shopify store with the world.